7 best free Android video editing apps. Hey guys, today we're checking out the best free video editing apps that will make your video look pro without breaking the bank. First up, we've got InShot with a rating of 4.9 and over 500 million downloads. This app is super popular because it's beginner friendly but still has ton of features. You can trim, cut, add transitions, text, stickers, and even music. The cool thing is it is perfect for TikTok and Instagram since you can easily adjust aspect ratio for social media. Next is UCut with a rating of 4.9 and over 100 million downloads. It's made by the same team as InShot, but it's more focused on straightforward editing. You can merge clips, add filters, and adjust video speed. And the best part, it doesn't slap a watermark on your video. That's a big plus compared to some other free editors. Now let's talk about CapCut with a rating of 0.8 and over 1 billion downloads. This one is favorite for TikTok creators because it's packed with trendy effect, transition, and ready-to-use templates. It also has advanced tools like keyframe animation and chroma key for green screen editing. If you are into making short, creative videos, CapCut is a must. Next is KineMaster with a rating of 4.5 and over 500 million downloads. This app feels like mini professional editor right on your phone. You get multi-layer editing, blending modes, voiceover, and precise control over every clip. The free version has a watermark, but feature-wise, it's one of the most popular editors out there. Then we have Power Director by Cyberlink with a rating of 4.5 and over 100 million downloads. It's super fast and comes with pro-level features like 4K video export, slow motion, and even chroma key. The timeline editor feels smooth, so if you are used to desktop style editing, you will love this one. It's perfect for more detailed projects. Next up is VN or Vlog Now with a rating of 4.8 and over 100 million downloads. This one's amazing because it's completely free, no watermarks, no hidden charge. It has advanced tools like multi-track editing, curve speed adjustment, and custom filters. A lot of vloggers and YouTubers swear by VN because it's powerful but easy to use. And finally, Videomaker by InShot with a rating of 4.9 and over 100 million downloads. This app is more for quick edits. It's got themes, template, filters, and a big music library. If you don't want to spend too much time editing but still want your video to look polished, this app makes it super easy. And that's it guys. If you want your photos look like outstanding, you can watch this next video. The best photo editing apps for Android. Bye!